Namaste, friends. Today I'm talking about our respiratory system and how to enhance our lung power. This is where our lungs reside, the chest area, till where we have our rib cage or what's called the diaphragm. And lungs generally are in have a few parameters in terms of how much we can breathe in or breathe out, that is lung capacities. So there are a variety of lung capacities, and I'll just explain it briefly to you and then tell you how to enhance it, because it's actually 1/7 of our lungs that we only use during our inhalation. So if we are able to enhance that, that will be very beneficial. Generally people have problem having a regular inhalation. Exhalation, people don't generally have problem. So the first kind of volume is the tidal volume of your lung, which is the volume of air that you breathe in and breathe out in a normal exhalation, which is generally 500 ml, half liter, or 500 cubic centimeters. Then there are some reserve values, because you are not using your entire lung, as I told you earlier. So inspiratory reserve volume is the volume of air that can be inspired or inhaled in even after a regular breath, which is around 3000 ml, that is 3 liters or 3000 cubic centimeters. Expiratory reserve volume is what your lung can expire or exhale out even after a regular breath, which is generally 1.1 liters or 1100 cubic centimeters. So like I said, exhalation में कम प्रॉब्लम होता है हम लोगों को, इनहेलेशन में प्रॉब्लम होता है. And reserve volume is the entire volume of air that remains within the lungs even after a forceful inhalation or exhalation, which is around 1.5 liters or 1500 cubic centimeters. So the sum of all these four volumes: tidal volume, which is normal breath; inspiratory reserve volume, which is what we could have inspired; expiratory reserve volume, which we could have expired or exhaled out; and the residual volume, which is totally unused. So this total combination is around 6 liters, which is 6000 cubic centimeters. That's the capacity of our lung, also known as the total lung capacity. So how do we enhance our lung capacity? So I'll reiterate that during a normal inhalation we are using only 1/7 of our lung, और इसको improve करके we can enhance our breathing, come to a normal breathing pattern of 3.5 to 3.5 seconds, which is normal breathing pattern, और बहुत लोगों का ये नहीं होता है. And there is proven research that if you are able to control your breath, then you are able to control your emotion. That is what breathing is all about, and that is why we sit straight with our spine erect, so that our lungs are always open and we try to inhale and exhale equally. And that is also how you enter into the meditative phase. So inhalation, exhalation, equalization is very important. Now how do we enhance our inhalation and exhalation? So there's this device called spirometer or spirometer, which is readily available on medical stores. You can also order it online. So basically, as you see, it has 3 kind of balls: red, yellow, and green. And the red one is signifies 600 cubic centimeter per second. Yellow is for 900, and green is for 1200 cubic centimeters per second of air. So we have this valve where you'll be able to fix this valve where you can inhale or exhale and see how much you can inhale or exhale. So generally As explained earlier, exhalation में लोगों को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता, लेकिन inhalation में होता है. So when the balls are down like this and this spirometer is straight, we'll try to inhale and see कि मेरा inhalation कहाँ तक जा रहा है. So I'll demonstrate. So like you saw, I'm able to go till 1.2 liters or 1200 cubic centimeters while inhaling. So जो लोग सिर्फ दूसरे वाले तक या फर्स्ट वाले तक जा रहे हैं, they should try to inhale forcefully ताकि कि वो 1 से 2 या 2 से 3 पे चले जाएं. Similarly, अब exhalation को हमें कैसे enhance करना है. We'll just move this upside down and then we'll try to exhale. But in exhalation only movement till the second ball will happen. So like you saw, only the red ball and the yellow ball, which is 900 cubic centimeters, that moved up, and the green ball was just wavering. So yes, this is the device that you can use. You should not be very forceful while inhaling or exhaling. You should take little gaps, and not only does it measure how much you are able to do, but also when you're doing this activity, it will enhance your lung power, both inhalation and exhalation. And obviously you have to follow this up with the practice of equal inhalation and exhalation pranayam of equal breathing that was explained by me earlier. And then you go to the meditative phases of yoga. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and suggestion, comments are welcome. Personal queries are welcome as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.